and welcome to an overview of how to import a family from the waiting list into the Department of Early Education and Care's Child Care Financial Assistance Application, or CCFA. Please note that based upon your individual user profile, your menu items may be slightly different than what will be displayed in this presentation. I'm Mike Gillis. I'm a member of the Department's User Services Group. If you have any questions or comments regarding this presentation, please send an email to ccfa_feedback@massmail.state.ma.us. Importing a family from the waitlist begins with the Add Family function in CCFA. After signing into CCFA, the Add Family function may be found along the main menu under the Intake menu tab. Placing your mouse's cursor over the Intake tab reveals a drop-down menu. Click on the Add Family menu item to activate the Import from Waitlist search screen. If you know the family's waitlist household ID number, the search screen includes a text box for entering that information. Enter the ID number and click on the button labeled Import. If the family's waitlist household ID number is unknown, click on the link labeled Search Waitlist to begin searching for the family's waitlist record. The Search Waitlist System page will be displayed with fields that will enable you to search by household ID, family name, address, city, and zip code. Clicking on the checkbox next to Show Families Already Imported into CCFA will include these families in your search results. Enter your search criteria in the provided fields and click on the button labeled Search. The search results will be listed below the search options. Use the provided information to locate the family and click on the link labeled View Family to begin entering family members into CCFA. The Waitlist Family page will be displayed with the list of family members to be added. Note that the family does not yet have a CCFA family ID. Though families may have multiple parent and child members, there must be at a minimum one primary parent and one child in order to add the family to CCFA. The first family member to be added to CCFA will be the primary parent. Click on the button labeled Add Member to begin adding the primary parent to CCFA. The Add Person page will be displayed with sections for entering personal, family, demographic, and contact information. Some of the information fields will be pre-populated with information from the family's waitlist record. Fields that are marked with an asterisk are required. Continue entering the primary parent by completing the fields in each section. The middle name is required. However, the drop-down list for middle name status allows us to indicate that the middle name is either unknown or does not exist. We can indicate that a child has an independent education plan, but that the child or parent family member has special needs by using the associated checkboxes. The Social Security number is a required field. However, if it is unknown or the parent has refused to provide this information, the SSN status drop-down list allows you to indicate this. There is a checkbox for indicating that the parent is retired, and one for noting that the child or parent is a twin or triplet. The Family Information section includes the family name and address information. The information may be updated by clicking on the link labeled Edit. Additional addresses may be added by clicking on the link labeled Add. Within the Demographic Information section, the primary language, race, ethnicity, and city of birth are all required fields. The Contact Information section allows you to add telephone numbers and email addresses. If a telephone number was imported from the waitlist, it may be edited or deleted if needed. After completing each information section, click on the button labeled Save to complete adding the primary parent to CCFA. The waitlist family page will again be displayed. The primary parent will now be listed with a check mark next to his or her name to indicate that they have been added to CCFA. A personal ID number will be assigned and displayed for the primary parent. The family's ID number will also be displayed. To continue adding the family into CCFA, select another family member from the drop-down list and click on the button labeled Add Member. The Add Person page will be displayed. Continue adding the family member by entering personal, demographic, and contact information in the fields provided. Again, fields that are marked with an asterisk are required. When you have completed entering the information, click on the button labeled Save. The waitlist family page will be displayed. Continue adding family members as needed. Once all family members have been added, the system will indicate that all family members have been created in CCFA successfully. The Family's Detail page may be viewed by clicking on the provided link. The Family Detail page lists family members, displays referral information, addresses, and authorization and placement information. The Action drop-down menu enables you to perform a number of edits on a family's record. This concludes our overview of how to import a family from the waiting list into CCFA. If you have any questions or comments, please send an email to ccfa_feedback@massmail.state.ma.us. I hope that you found this informative, and I thank you for viewing.